Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. Are you ready to make a cute summertime bracelet using some sea turtles, check glass, and beads from the latest Softlex design kit, Turtle Love? This is from their bead mix, and their bead mixes are exclusively made by Jesse James Beads. I need a few beads, and I am using this little turtle that I've had in my collection, and it's got a little Austrian crystal. And then I added it to a little slider clasp, and it's really cute because on the clasp it says the word love. And I thought that was kind of neat because this kit was called Turtle Love. So you got your turtle and then the word love on there. We're using some fluorite Softlex wire and then the little starfish and some check glass beads and crystals. Those are from the bead mix. I'm also adding in these from my collection, and these are check glass, and they are from a local bead shop, Artistic Beads and Studio, and I will leave a link down below in the description for that. And then, of course, your 2x2s and a clasp of your choice. On my turtle, and then two of the blue beads, and they'll just kind of nestle in between that little slider. And then we have to have sparkle, so I'm going to add in my little silver spacer beads with some AB crystal. And these little green swirls are super cute. Perfect under the sea colors. So I added on a few more and then a few more rondels just to add in that sparkle. I'm going to add these 6mm beads on. I love Softlex design kits. They're always jam-packed with so many awesome goodies. And then we're going to put on our other starfish. We have our little bracelet. Then our little swirl beads and a rondel. So I'll just keep adding on my beads and then I will attach my clasp. Added on the beads to the rest of the bracelet. We're going to attach our clasp. So I'm going to go ahead and slide on a 2x2 and a lobster claw. I'm just going to double back my wire back through my 2x2. And I want to give it a little bit of wiggle room just so it doesn't cause tension to the clasp. Take our pliers, give it a little smash, and then we're going to rotate. And this will just round or 2x2 and give it a more professional finish. Then we have a little bit of a tail. We can tuck it into the next bead, and then our little tail will hide under that bead. Or you can trim it. And we're just going to slide down the rest of the beads. Now, as you can see, I have a little bit of wire left over, so I'm going to make sure I save that because you can always use your Softlex wire, anything that's left over and extra for another project, an earring, so always save your Softlex wire. I made a tutorial a little bit ago where I used Softlex wire to make jump rings, so that would be a perfect size to do that. So then we're just going to take the last 2x2 and a small little jump ring. This is a 4mm jump ring. And this is where my lobster claw will attach to. Where that our 2x2 is right on top of that last check glass that we added on. And then we're just going to give it a smash. And we're going to rotate. And then this time we're just going to trim off our little tail. And we have our beautiful Turtle Love bracelet. There are little starfish on there and the check glass, and of course the Austrian crystal turtle chain. The little slider bead that says love for Turtle Love. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're notified when I upload a video. Have an awesome day.